Updating your legal name on Betterment is a straightforward process that ensures your account information is accurate. Follow these steps to complete the update efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Betterment account by visiting the website or using the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to get to your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the menu or profile area of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Name Change option. In Account Settings, look for an option related to personal information or name changes. Click on this option to begin the process of updating your legal name. Step 4. Provide documentation. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Sesrock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Submit your request. After uploading the necessary documents, review your changes and submit your name change request. You should receive a confirmation email once your request has been processed. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Betterment will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Betterment's customer support for assistance.